All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo with the Beats Studio earbuds. All right, so today in this video I'm gonna do a few things. We're gonna give you an overall fitting demonstration with the earbuds in. I'm gonna give you my overall opinions on the overall fit, the overall sound quality, and the bass. And then I'm gonna give you two audio sample tests to the best of my ability. The first one is going to be a leakage test, and then the second one is going to be a sound sample, and then we're going to wrap the video up. So without further ado, let's not waste any time and let's jump directly into the video. So starting off here, let's go over the fitting portion of the video. So for reference, when the earbuds came, when the Beats Studio earbuds came, they came with the medium tips on them. All right. Now they come with a small, a medium, and a large. I tried all three tips and I could not get an overall super solid fit, but I settled on the large ear tips in terms of getting the best fit possible for me. All right. So that's what I have in right now. I have the Beats Studio earbuds in with the large tips, but I always recommend you go through all the included tips and you find the one that's going to give you the best overall fit, because having the best overall fit will give you maximum comfort, and it will also maximize the sound quality, the volume, and the bass that the earbuds are capable of. So fit on truly wireless earbuds is truly important. But anyways, let's dive straight in. So you can see as I've been recording the video, I do have the earbuds in my ears. So here's what a nice front profile would look like. You can see they do stick out of my ears ever so slightly. It is noticeable. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you the different profiles here. So let's turn to my left, give you a nice shot of the right earbud here. Okay, and then let's turn to my right, give you a nice shot of the left earbud here. Okay, and give you a quick shake test. Now I'm not gonna shake too vigorously because they do move around and they do slide out, and that's the one thing about the fit. Try as I might going through all of the earbud tips, even going through some of my custom tips, I couldn't get a solid fit that doesn't come out over time. So the overall fit of the Beats Studio earbuds, at least for me, in my opinion, is just okay. Okay, but still, that goes over the fitting demonstration. Now, also somewhere in the video, I'll throw up a nice close-up of the charging case and the earbuds, so y'all get a really nice close-up of how the earbuds look and how the charging case looks. Now let's jump into the audio test. Starting off here, we're going to do a leakage test. So I do have the Beats Studio earbuds hooked up to my iPhone. Okay, y'all can see it right there. And I'll have B-roll of this as well, so y'all can see that it is indeed hooked up to my iPhone. I do have my iPhone turned up to max volume. You can see it right there. Again, I'll have the accompanying B-roll. And we do have some copyright-free music pulled up. Now let's jump into the first test, which is going to be a leakage test. Now for reference, I'm using my professional clip-on studio microphone, and it's less than a foot away from my mouth. The earbuds are at max volume, so if there's any leakage whatsoever, the microphone should more than be capable of being able to pick it up. After this, we're going to rewind the track, and I'm going to give y'all a sound sample, and then we're going to wrap the video up. All right, so here we go. Let me go ahead and push play. And I'm going to be quiet now, and let's see if there's any leakage coming off the earbuds. Here we go. Okay, that should do it. Let me pause this. So hopefully you guys got an idea of the leakage that comes off of the earbuds at 100% volume, if any came off. So now what I'm going to do, we're just gonna put my phone down in front of me here. Let me unlock it. This way it's easy for me to reach over and push play in case I stop it now. But I'm gonna give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability. Now, the Beats Studio earbuds do have clicky buttons on each earbud, so I'm going to attempt to hold up the earbuds and then click the button one time to play it and let y'all get a sound sample. All right, so here we go. Let me take out the first one. Okay, that's number one. Let me take out the second one. That's number two. And now let me just push play. Okay, and let's hold it up to the mic for a little bit and give y'all a sound sample. I'm gonna do this for about 30 seconds, starting now. Okay, I gave you guys an extra 5, but that goes over the audio sample test. Now let me drop these back in real quickly, and let me give y'all my overall thoughts on the sound quality, the volume, and the bass, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this video up. Okay, now in terms of the overall sound quality for the Beats Studio earbuds, keep in mind this is just in my opinion. I would have to say the sound quality is really good. Now I did notice a little bit of distortion and breaking at max volume. So there is a little bit of buzz, hiss, crackle at max volume. Okay. And I did notice a little bit of distortion at the lower volumes as well. This is why the sound quality for the Beats Studio earbuds, in my opinion, is just really good. Okay, now moving on to the overall volume. The overall volume, in my opinion, is top notch for these earbuds. They get more than loud enough for me to drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in whatever I'm trying to do with the earbuds. Whether it be listen to music, whether it be take phone calls, dictate text messages or emails, or watch movies, I've had no issues with the overall volume on these earbuds. And even further still, the sound cancellation is really good on these as well. All right, so in terms of the overall volume, these earbuds are top notch. Now, moving on and talking about the last part, the all-important bass, I would have to say the bass on these earbuds is really good in my opinion. I've tested these earbuds listening to all styles of music and a variety of different genres of movies, and I have to say the bass on this is really good. There is a noticeable punch, but in my opinion, it can be a little bit deeper and warmer. But the fact that Apple was able to have some nice bass in such a small body, even though it's not as good as I feel it could be, that just makes the bass overall, in my opinion, really good. And again, I'll reiterate this in the full review for these earbuds. So once again, the overall sound quality, really good. The overall volume, top notch, and the overall bass on these is really good. And that, guys and gals, pretty much brings to a close this video. Now, today's video was recorded with the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with professional audio hooked up. I am also running all of my professional studio lights, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, Also, let me know what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And also, leave your feedback on the earbuds. How do you think the earbuds performed in the two different audio samples? Did you hear any leakage? Okay, how was the overall sound sample? What do you think of the overall audio coming off the earbuds? Leave all that feedback and things down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated, and remember to keep it respectful, please. Okay, that being said, I hope everyone has a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.